Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. I have a question to ask you. Imagine how awesome life becomes when you not only work for money, but also understand how money works and benefits from that knowledge. And you benefit from that knowledge. I don't know about you, but I'd feel very powerful, wouldn't you?
100%.
Become powerful with Bitcoin. Tonight, we will provide access to gain that power.
For sure. And we are so excited because today it's not about launching a course, right? It's your chance to finally understand the system that runs your life and why Bitcoin, we believe, is at the center of it. So stay tuned because at the end of the show, you look into saving Bitcoin in a completely different way.
Exactly. Money equals freedom. We've been taught to work hard for money. However, most of us do not see the freedom that money should provide.
Exactly. Bitcoin, on the other hand, invites you to see money in a whole completely different way. A system where you have more control, freedom, and opportunity to grow. But the exciting part is that you don't have to spend years and years in studying and learning this. Just a little bit of curiosity could open the door for a completely different perspective on money and how Bitcoin works.
B4B classes, that's Bitcoin for Beginners classes, is your ticket to finally understanding Bitcoin. We are officially launching our brand new Bitcoin course, which isn't just another class, but a path to build wealth, prepare for the future.
Super well said. And here's the best part. It's so good, by the way. We
so
got
excited.
an offer for you that it would be very difficult for you to refuse. But it's the Godfather music, yeah. I know what you mean, taking control of your financial future. I know you want to take control of your financial future. But spots are limited. So this is your moment. Let's dive into it.
Choose how you're going to learn with 5 learning opportunities, of course.
Free classes.
Yes. Then we have video classes with group support for only $49.99.
This is one of my favorite. Live classes, right? With group support for $149.99.
Exactly. And if you want one-on-one classes with me, Davinci Jeremy, that's only $299.99. And finally,
It's not over. We have a special offer that will 100% shock you.
Exactly. It is quite a shocker, right? This special offer, right, is 24 hours, spots limited for maximum value.
Exactly. And the reason why we built this is for one reason only, right? To give you the best possible opportunity to dive deep into Bitcoin and money without any excuse and with everything you need in one place. But here's the catch, big catch. It's only available for 24 hours and spots are super limited.
Why?
Well, because we want to give you an exclusive experience. And for those who are serious about learning and ready to take action, the time is now.
So don't miss out. This is what you get for 3 months, right? An exclusive package designed to pay for itself and more. You'll get access to all the video courses. That's the free ones, right? And the paid ones for $50, all for 3 months, right? That's all included. Direct support to guide you along the way. A private channel to connect with us and like-minded people. Live shows included, right? The $149 live shows also included. And you get to ask us questions whilst we're doing the live show. You get 1 hour private call with me. And finally, hold on, a gift of $660 in Satoshis BTC. This is incredible, right?
Yeah, the value, if you do all the math, and if you do all the math on the prices, the value goes over $4,000. To be precise, 4,200 US.
Exactly. But guess what, guys? We have a special offer for you. It's not the $4,200. And it's limited, right? The time is short, but it is only $599. So isn't that like effectively getting your money back
Yeah,
and more? Like 10% more?
exactly. That's what's happening.
You're like, let me get this straight. Not only do I not get, it's not just a money back offer, money back guarantee. It's getting the money back. No. It's a gift. Satoshis, right? Bitcoin. It's a gift. It's $660 in Satoshis. You're like, okay, whoa, hold on. What's the catch? Of course, you have to do something, right? We can't just just give you money. You have to do a little bit. You have to pass a simple test, right? Right? You got to get 75%, right? Then on top of that, right, you just have to book the 1 hour session with me that you've already got for free, right? Once you have that session booked, on that call, I'll give you the 660 Bitcoin.